This is Discover 5, end of course, mock IELTS speaking test. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you introduce yourself for me, please?
My name is Zach. I am in grade 6 and I learn in D5 and came from Archimedes School.
Good. What's your favourite subject at school, Ang?
My favorite subject is science because there are many experiments and many things to experiment.
Okay, good. So I'm going to explain to you what this test will entail. There are 3 parts to this test. The first part will consist of me asking you some questions about a topic. The second part will be you talking about a topic between 1 to 2 minutes long, and then the third part will be a little bit of a discussion between the two of us. So the first part that we're going to go through is about fast food.
Okay.
What kinds of fast food have you tried?
I have tried some fried chicken.
Anything else? Or is
No,
that it?
I
Oh,
just tried.
okay. Did you enjoy it?
There's many oil that is not good for the health.
Okay. Have you ever tried, have you ever used a microwave to cook food quickly?
No.
No?
Because my home doesn't have any microwave.
Okay, that's fair enough. What are the most popular fast food restaurants here in Vietnam, do you think?
I think it is KFC.
Why do you think KFC is so popular?
Because there's many shop KFC in Vietnam and it also like a Coke is better than others because you can compare the large size of the Coke to the small size. In KFC there's many more, but in many more restaurants there's only a few difference.
Okay. When would you go to a fast food restaurant? Let me rephrase your question. When do you usually go to a fast food restaurant?
I usually go to KFC because like I go shopping with my family and there is usually a KFC store in there.
So you usually go with your family, is that right? Okay. All right, so that's the end of part 1. What we're going to do is we're going to move on to part 2. So we've got a piece of paper and a pen there if you would like to take some notes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 1 minute to think about what you're going to say for a topic that you need to talk 1 to 2 minutes about. This topic is the following. You should describe some technology, an app, a phone or a software or program that you decided to stop using. You should say the following: when and where you got this technology, when you started using this technology, why you decided to stop using it, and explain how you feel about the decision you made. Do you have any questions, buddy?
No.
Okay. Would you like me to say that one more time? No? Okay, no problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a minute to think about it, and then I'm going to ask you to describe it to me. Okay, So can you tell me what is a technology that you decided to stop using?
I think that is the calculator and the computer, because it is, like, the technology is not very good, and sometimes they cannot solve problems, like they are very slow. I decide to use calculator instead of it, because it calculates more fast and better.
Okay, good. Thank you very much. Okay, so we're now going to move on to the third part. The third part is going to be a little bit of a discussion between the two of us. The first part that we're going to talk about is computer games. Okay, so can you tell me what kinds of computer games do you think people in Vietnam play a lot on?
I think it is Roblox, because there are many games in Roblox.
Okay, why do you think that? Why do you think people enjoy playing computer games?
Because it's reduce stress and make them have fun.
Okay, and do you think computer games should have a minimum age requirement?
I think just because some game that is shooting game, and then we need to blood, and we need to apply it.
So what kind of games do you think they should put a minimum age requirement on?
Shooting games.
Mm-hmm. And how old do you think they should be?
13.
13, okay. Okay, so we're now going to talk about technology in the classroom, okay? In what ways can technology be used in a classroom, do you think?
I think technology can be used in classroom, like computer to help teacher to make their teach is to make it better, and slides and many more.
Do you think students are often better than their teachers at using technology?
I think sometimes because students are born in a more technology world than a teacher.
Okay. And do you believe that computers will replace human teachers eventually?
I think no.
Why do you think that?
Because computer they cannot feel us, and they cannot feel happy, sad, or anything.
Okay, good. Ang, thank you very much, and that concludes the video test.